Well guys, it's that time of the month again. Welcome to the May 7th Tornado Siren Test. We're here at a different location once again. We got a federal signal siren up there. Don't know the model yet. I'll have to go look after the test. But the siren's about to go off in a couple minutes, so we're going to cut right to the chase. Let's get to when this thing goes off. So, here we go. There you guys have it. That concludes the May 7th Tornado Siren Test on this lovely day. It's beautiful out here. I mean, earlier this week, I tell you guys, I was out doing some filming for other content on my channel, and half the time the weather was pretty bad. But today, absolutely a beautiful day for a Tornado Siren Test. Hope you guys enjoyed this test. Next month's test will be taking place in a different county, so keep that in mind. We might get to see something different. Don't know where yet in that county or where I'm going yet, but all I'm going to say is we will be going to a different county, which may mean we might have some opportunities to see some different types of sirens. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's test. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.